Alright, so all the files are here on this pen drive. Just copied the entire files. Alright, so I'm all set to go to the studio. Well, it's been a while. I've not recorded any song because I was down with viral fever for almost 8 days. Alright, so setting up the session right now. Handsome, bro, handsome. Born handsome. Check. On. Click bin दियो है. मिलाई नै सम्झन्छु मन साह्रै दुखेको बेला तिमीलाई भनी लेखेको गीत गाउँछु म तिम्रै नै थिए तिम्रै नै रहन्छु जति टाढा तिमी भए नि तिम्रो यादमा रमाउँछु
बिचमा चाहिँ घाम लाग्यो हो कन्ठा बिरपा र बिनागुडीमा उता यस्तै छ
Ready? Go, character, action. यो कस्तो रूप तिम्रो मोहनी लगायो